To set smoke and fire alarm sounds notifications silent in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up full screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Tap accessibility, and then select hearing enhancements. Tap sound notifications, and then select settings. Tap sound notification are paused, or if you are active, tap sound notifications are active, and then tap smoke and fire alarms. If you cannot find this option, you must turn on show notifications. If off, you cannot find smoke and fire alarms on menu. Tap smoke and fire alarms and then turn on this option. Select silent. Now smoke and fire alarm set as silent. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.